Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is July the 24th and our devotion is A Hidden Place. From the end of the earth I call to you. When my heart is faint, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. For you have been my refuge, a strong tower against the enemy. Psalm 61, 2 and 3. When emotional injuries, insecurities, anxieties, memories of abuse, conflict, or pain that were buried long ago come to the surface of life, they transform from pascars to raw gaping wounds. Earthly bandages cannot completely heal the pain. We need God's touch, the balm of His tenderness upon us. It aches, but He is a safe hiding place, a refuge when we are afraid to walk through the pain. God, I submit my wounds to your careful attention. Thank you for being my hiding place today. Abiding in His safety and leaving the wounds open is hard. We have to see it, feel it, and let God walk us through the healing process. And that might take time, but He is a loving, worthy, compassionate Father whose treatment roots out all infections and disease so that the scars can remain healed. We are safe when we are in His care, and He promises to protect us. He invites you to bring Him all your hurts, pains, regrets, and brokenness so He can put it back together. How can you take refuge in God's arms tonight? Wow. This one hits home with me. Because I have a lot of stuff that I buried that I don't want to deal with. So maybe starting today, we let God in and let Him start healing all those old wounds. Keep me in your prayers while I do this. Because there are some wounds that I really would prefer to leave buried. But eventually they do come to surface. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.